your own career.
Welcome everybody, such a pleasure to finally have you all here in person. Welcome to Talent Meets Bertelsmann 2024.
We ask you to create a 90-second movie with the title Documentary of Us.
This year's participants, there are 55 awesome talents from across Europe that they're studying either business or data science or creative. They're super smart. They're literally the top of the top.
It's such a multicultural and multi-expertise team that we have.
Everyone is super engaged, excited.
It's amazing how quickly the teams have come together.
Hopefully we find the leaders of tomorrow as well as some interesting solutions to some of our business problems.
We want to give you some advice on how to specifically go about creating your presentation at TMB, but my goal is also to give you some kind of general advice that might be useful when you're presenting your dissertation or really any other kind of public speaking aspects.
And now the moment you have all been waiting for. Finally, the time has arrived. We're gonna jump into the workshop work. Good luck, have fun.
Actually, I'm super proud to be here, and this is actually the highlight of the year, not only for me personally, but also for the team. And we are glad to have this event, and I hope that you are enjoying your time actually already.
I'm really excited, and why we're even more excited to have you here. Once spent 3 wonderful days together. It will be great, and you're part of the Bertelsmann family now. Let's have a wonderful evening, enjoy the dinner, and I keep my fingers crossed for all of you. And I'll see you tomorrow.
More energy now at the end of the day than starting off, so I think that's a great sign.
Everything feels very thought through, even the workshops and the first creative assignment.
There's people from all types of backgrounds, all types of educations, and it's very complementary.
They are so diverse, coming with a different background in terms of function, in terms of internationality.
Really, really good people, very well selected.
Fantastic group and a wonderful start of TMB 2024.
Give yourselves a round of applause to just wake us all up.
Great that they have this overall topic of AI.
We actually worked with AI to solve our case, at least partially. It's always a combination between AI and human creativity.
In the past, we always tried to build new business models and new products based on basic technology, and now making them all more intelligent, more productive, created a whole layer of creativity and imagination that the students were working on.
In the end, we managed very well to benefit from all the strength of all the members and work very efficient together.
It's not really a challenge, I think it's an experience, it's a learning curve.
TMB Studio live at Spitline Clark. Make some noise, everybody. Welcome to Talent Meets Bertelsmann 2024. Before we started, make some noise for our TMB jury. Please give a warm welcome to Emmanuel Emi Hemre, Rolf Hellermann, Lydia Ratcha-Klug. Let's get loud for Thomas Kose. Please welcome Tina Krebs, Ingrid Heiserer. Let's welcome Carmen Ospina. And last, and of course not least, let's give it up for Thomas Rabe.
It's fantastic to be back here in Berlin. 16th time at the TMB, so there's something here, right, which seems to work and which seems to attract people of your caliber.
Ladies and gentlemen, Berlin, it's about time. Are you ready to rock it? Give them a big applause because your 8 minutes starts now.
All right, let's have it for our first influencer of the night, Mansi, coming up.
Hello. Hello, Scorpion. How are you doing?
Give a big applause to all the 7 presentations. Thank you to the jury. Now welcome everybody to the award ceremony 2024. Are you ready for that?
Third place goes to content marketing. The second place goes to creator economy. First place, the team healthcare.
It was fantastic. It was probably the highest level we have seen.
Great people, high level of energy, very good presentations, and a very strong winner.
It's just outstanding. It's the quality of people that we have here at this event. It's just great.
To do everything in 6 hours, for me, it was, how did they do it?
A good balance between entertainment and the strategic rationale and the business plan and the figures.
It really felt like the teams gelled together very quickly when you think about the 2-day event.
Great atmosphere, great spirit. I really liked it.
The overall experience is nothing what I was expecting before, but it was a great and wholesome experience, meeting all those people and work together in such a short amount of time. It was amazing.
It has been very exciting having the opportunity to meet many different people from many different backgrounds.
TNB's creativity,
intense, fabulous,
energy,
hip, innovation,
diverse,
entertaining,
exciting,
friendships, energizing.
Great day.